license.
Welcome car audio enthusiasts, the Old School SPL challenge. We are ready to test this box. Stay tuned. I've had a slight problem with one of the concept amps, so I'm about to change this one out for a spare and we'll get it all going. Happy days. Stay tuned. Hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, so we've got 4 Orion Concept 97.3 amplifiers. These amplifiers, as I said before, were rated at half a watt per channel at 4 ohms. So what we're looking at is bridged, we've got 1 watt. So 1, 2, 3, 4 watts in total power. I've made a quick little amp board to connect everything up. Everything's fused at about 60 amps. Should be running the subs at about 50 to 70 hertz. Not quite sure yet. We'll find out where the peak SPL is. We have grabbed 2 80 amp hour lithium batteries to power it up, run our speaker cable through to our box here, and we've got our 8 Orion XTR3 dual voice call 12-inch subs in a little ported box, which pretty much has taken up the entire room in the back of the cube, which is fantastic. Done a little chocolate box just on the outside here, nice and easy, and that's just so I can get it in the car, in and out, do this test run, and we're done. So stay tuned, I'll do some filming, we'll grab the SPL meters, stick them in, and let's see how we go. Fingers crossed. Oh, let's try one more. All right. Okay, it's where we left off. I have just fiddled with the amplifier gains because that's what you do. Not. All right, here we go. Oh, so close! I just can't seem to get it. So 57 hertz, we're going to keep going. Guys, we are so close to 150 dB, and I need to crack 150 dB. So I'm just going to have a little play with the amps. So here we go, 57 hertz, final run. Oh baby, 152.3. I love it, I love it. Thanks for watching everyone. GoPro's on, 152.3 dB, 4 watts of power, fantastic, old school, love it. See you later guys, thanks for watching.